afternoon from the south of Thailand, about 30 kilometers north of Krabi, in a small village. And look at this beautiful mosque, the nice turquoise blue. It's absolutely beautiful. I didn't know Thailand had a Muslim population, but they do. And guess what? They're celebrating Ramadan right now, which makes it extremely difficult to find a place that's open for some food. But it's also a great adventure. This is absolutely beautiful. Every few hours, you know, you hear the prayer. It's stunning. It's such a small village, and they have a beautiful mosque. People are living right here. Looks like a motorbike shop. You got the recyclables going on, and yeah, it's beautiful here in north of Krabi. It's about 30 kilometers north. This guy's going to go celebrate with his family, probably with his wife. So yeah, let's go find some food. Yeah, everyone's celebrating with their family, which is great to see. It's Sunday, so everything is closed, but I'm sure we'll be able to find some food somewhere. 100% sure of it. Got the mountains in the back. Some kids in a tree over here. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Stunning views. Oh. Restaurant. I see restaurant. Look at this house though. I wouldn't mind living there. Restaurant. Let's see if they're open. I don't think they will be, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. Hello. Hello? Saudi cop. I don't think anyone's home, which could be a problem. Look at this, beautiful. All right, doesn't look like we're eating here. On to the next. Beautiful property though, right? Happy days, baby. It's all that matters. We're happy. It's the journey, not the destination. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. I see something up here. Hi. You have food? Food. Restaurant. No? No. Okay. Let's see. Khao soy?
Khao soy.
Soy? Ah, some food here. Some pineapple. Some fish. Okay, cup and cup. Thank you. Look at this sign. Don't feed the monkeys. No, I won't. Ah, here's the spot. Let's see what they got. They got gas. Petrol. Saudi cop. You have something to eat? Hmm? You have food, something to eat?
Food?
Yes. Let's see. They got some fresh bananas. Some papaya. Chilies. Pineapple. Hi.
Hello.
You have a smoothie?
Smoothie?
Yes, smoothie.
What smoothie?
Yes, yes. No?
No have?
No have.
This left.
This way?
Right and left. This about 200.
200 meters?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Our fruit smoothie. somewhere. Oh, this looks like a fruit smoothie. Let's see what we got cooking. Hi. Fruit smoothie. Yes, one? Yes, 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 yes. One, yes. There it is, our fruit smoothie. The fresh coconut. Yeah, it's such a small village. So small. And it's basically all Muslims, which is so different. It's so nice though. I love it. Here you get some fresh gasoline, some petrol. You can fill it up right here. I'm not sure how much for 1 liter, but maybe I should get something. Oh. She's gonna get something else, special ingredient. Oh, no electricity. Oh. That's gonna be tasty. Oh, water. Hopefully it's not cha-cha, Georgian cha-cha. Yummy. Hi. Hi. I like your jersey. It's German. Football. You have to weigh yourself here. Okay, cup and cup. And also, can I get the 2? Yes, 2 banana. No, to take. Yes. Yes. I know, I need some fresh banana. How can you not? What's up, guys? Let's try this out. 50 bucks. Okay. Okay, got the banana, got the mango smoothie. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, let's roll on out of here. That's all I needed. I think we're gonna have a nice beach day now. Pink football stadium with the view of the mountain, the palm trees, and a nice mango smoothie. Mango banana, some fresh bananas right there. Wow, can't ask for anything better. I'm gonna go enjoy the beach now, so I'll catch you guys later. Another small, beautiful mosque. Wow, look at it. It's amazing. These people are living a nice life with this location. I'm sure. Yeah, I know, it's just nice. I mean, I really like this area. It's so beautiful.